just to stay busy. Can you say your first and last name and then spell it?
Dustin Claypool, DUSTIN CLAYPOOLE.
Thank you very much, Dustin. I see you got a snow shovel.
Yep.
What are your thoughts about the storm?
Just trying to be prepared. Finally getting a little bit of snow, so I mean we got to be ready. I don't have a snow blower, so I got to use a shovel. So
yeah, I see. They only want $7.99 for those Arians there.
yeah, that's it. So.
I was here yesterday looking at electric fireplaces. So
oh yeah,
yeah.
Yep.
You got salt and stuff like that at home?
I do. I have salt. I have everything I need. My shovel took a crap. So
back here.
Yeah.
What do you think? It's been quiet lately as far as snow?
Absolutely. Yeah, we haven't gotten much. I mean, I'm a roofer, so the snow kind of impedes on what I do. So.
So you've been able to work through the winter for the most part? Or?
For the most part, we have, yeah. Tomorrow, probably not so much. Monday, Tuesday, probably not so much. But depending on how much we have, maybe we'll shovel some snow off some roofs.
How much are you thinking we're getting? What are you hearing so far?
I saw 8 to 12. My wife saw 10 to 14. So who knows?
Yeah.
Got to be ready though.
Yep. Oh, that was perfect. We gotta get